Hey guys, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a video into your lock screen like the one that you see right here and have it as your lock screen here. Now, this is really simple and cool to do. If you want to stick around, you'll see how easy it is to do that. Now, first thing you want to do is that you actually have to go to the App Store and download an app because this isn't a feature that's available by default on iPhone. You have to use the app to make it happen. And what we're going to do in the App Store is look for something that converts our video into live wallpaper. Now, if you search up convert video to live, you'll find that there's multiple apps out there to download and actually do that. By default, there's some popular ones. We're going to download this one, which is Intro Live. It seems to have like 85,000 downloads or ratings here, so we're going to use this one, but you can equivalently use any other ones that you want. This isn't a sponsored video, so we're not really recommending any of them. It's just whatever works for you. So as you can see here, we have Intro Live app downloaded. We're going to simply go ahead and open that up. Now, once you open it up, because it is a free app that allows you to do things, you might have some pop-up ads. Simply, you're going to just click on to get away from the ads so you can get to here. Now, what you're going to do is allow the app to be able to have access to the video that you want to make into your wallpaper. So as you can see, all of our videos are being selected here, or at least being allowed for this app. Also, we wanted to do that video that we just showed you, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. Now, let's say your video is maybe a couple minutes long or maybe a short. You need to adjust it accordingly to the specific point that you want the live to be for. So as you can see here, we have this video. We're satisfied with this. You can also add filter, do other edits as you like. And once you're done with that, simply hit that make button. So you make that, click that make button, you're going to have this option to repeat, loop or not. We're simply just going to hit no repeat here. Once you do that, it's going to start preparing that for us. And then after that, we're going to simply click on that. And then as you can see here, there's the ad again that popped up. We're going to wait till we can close out this ad by clicking on the skip button here. So once we clicked out of that ad here, again, those ads are a little bit annoying, but that's what happens when you use any free tool. So once you do that, we're going to go ahead, open up our Photos app and look to see that we have a live photo here of the video that we wanted. Test it out to make sure we like it. Once we like it, we're going to go open up settings. Now this time in settings, we're going to be probably here. So you want to go to wallpaper. Once you go to wallpaper, you're going to choose a wallpaper, and then you're going to select live photo. Click on live photo here. Now you're going to press and hold to make sure that the live photo is working like the way you want it. Simply, and then also the next thing you want to check is that button here. Here, by default, it might be off or on. You want to make sure that it is live photo is on, or this will not work. So make sure that is on, hit that set button, and then you can select it to set as your lock screen, which will do. And then once it does that, we're ready to test it out. Now you can go ahead and unlock and then press and hold. As you can see here, it is playing that video on our lock screen. The one caveat to this is that by default it doesn't play automatically because the way iPhones are designed. So it's something that you'll just have to press to have it play if you wanted to see it live. But at least for now, it's the way it is. Maybe in the near future where Apple updates and allows us to set videos, we might be able to get a default one. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.